Wel- Welcome to Max class. In this class, we do the sums given in exercise 2.2. Question number 4. Express the following algebraic statement to verbal statement. Subdivision 1. X divided by 3. The verbal statement of the given algebraic equation equal to x is divided by 3. Subdivision 2. 5n minus 12. The verbal statement is 12 less to 5 times of n. Question number 3. 11 plus 10x. 11 is added to 10 times of x is the verbal statement. Question number 4. 70s. The verbal statement is product of 70 and the variable s. Question number 5. The teacher asked two students to write the algebraic statement for the verbal statement 8 more than a number. Vetri wrote 8 plus x, but Moran wrote 8x. Who gave the correct answer? The verbal statement given in the problem is 8 more than a number. Here a number equal to x. The algebraic statement of the given verbal statement equal to 8 plus x. Vetri wrote 8 plus x. So, Vetri gave the correct answer. Question number 6. Answer the following questions. Subdivision 1. If n takes the value 3, then find the value of n plus 10. The given algebraic equation is n plus 10. n equal to 3. Now we substitute the value of n in the algebraic equation n plus 10 equal to 3 plus 10 equal to 13. So n plus 10 equal to 13. Second subdivision. If g is equal to 300, what is the value of g minus 1 and g plus 1? G value equal to 300. The algebraic equation given in the sum is g minus 1 and g plus 1. To find the value of g minus 1, we substitute the g value in the equation. 300 minus 1 equal to 299. To find the g plus 1 value, we substitute the g value in the given equation. 300 plus 1 equal to 301. G minus 1 equal to 299 and g plus 1 equal to 301. Question number 3. What is the value of s if 2s minus 6 gives 30? First we write the algebraic equation and then we find the s value from the equation. The algebraic equation is 2s minus 6 equal to 30. From this equation we can find the s value. So, we move the minus 6 from left hand side to right hand side. So, minus 6 changes to plus 6. So, 2s equal to 30 plus 6. 30 plus 6 equal to 36. So, 2s equal to 36. Therefore, s equal to 36 divided by 2. equal to 18. So the S value equal to 18. Question number 7. Complete the table and find the value of k for k by 3 gives 5. The given algebraic equation is k by 3. The k values are given here. By using k values, we find k by 3. K equal to 3. K by 3 equal to 3 by 3 equal to 1. K equal to 6 means k by 3 equal to 6 by 3. We get 2. K equal to 9. K by 3 equal to 9 by 3. We get 3. K by 12. K equal to 12. We substitute k value in k by 3 equation. Equal to 12 by 3 equal to 4. K equal to 15. K by 3 equal to 15 by 3 equal to 5. K equal to 18. K by 3 equal to 18 by 3 we get 6. Now we fill the answers in the given table. K and k by 3 values are tabulated from the table. K by 3 equal to 5. So k equal to 15. Question number 8. The value of y in y plus 7 equal to 13 is option A, y equal to 5, option B, y equal to 6, option C, y equal to 7, and option D, y equal to 8. The given algebraic equation is y plus 7 equal to 13. From the equation we can find y value. Y equal to 13 minus 7. Plus 7 move from left hand side to right hand side. Plus 7 changes to minus 7. So we rewrite the algebraic equation y equal to 13 minus 7. The difference between 13 and 7 is 6. So y equal to 6. So the answer is option B, y equal to 6. Question number 9. 6 less to n gives 8. Is represented as option A, n minus 6 equal to 8. Option B, 6 minus n equal to 8. Option C, 8 minus n equal to 6. Option D, n minus 8 equal to 6. The answer is option A, n minus 6 equal to 8. Question number 10. The value of C for which 3C by 4 gives 18 is option A, C equal to 15, option B, C equal to 21, option C, C equal to 24, option D, C equal to 27. The algebraic equation is 3 into C divided by 4 equal to 18. So now we substitute the various C values in the given algebraic equation. C equal to 15. The C value is substituted in the algebraic equation. 3 into 15 divided by 4 equal to 18. Here 3 15s are 45. 45 is not divided by 4. So this is not the answer. Option B, C equal to 21. Now we substitute the C value in the equation. 3 into 21 divided by 4. 321 or 63. 63 is also not divided by 4. So the option B option is not an answer. Option C equal to 24. Now we substitute the C value in the equation. 3 into 24 divided by 4. Here 24 is divided by 4 gives 6. 6 3s are 18. So the answer is option C equal to 24. Students, I hope you all have understood the sums given in exercise 2.2. Thanks for listening.